Scan to USB is a convenient way to capture scanned files on a USB jump drive. This is useful for visiting users who are not a member of the network which the system is connected to. Perform the following steps for scanning to a USB storage device. Place originals on the copier glass or in the document feeder. Press the Scan button on the touch panel. To store the scan in a USB storage device, connect the USB storage device to the USB port on the system and wait a few seconds. When the Found USB device message appears on the touch panel, press USB. Define the settings for the file name and file format and press OK. To complete the scan, press Scan. If you see the message to continue, place Document on glass. And press Start or Scan, you can place another original on the document glass and press Scan to continue scanning. When you are finished scanning, press Job Finish and remove your USB thumb drive from the system.